I'm Monica. In this video, I want to show you 3 very simple moves that you can do at home anytime with a ball in order to have more mobility, flexibility, and just feeling good no matter what, okay? So, number 1 move is to actually sit on the ball. Be bare feet as much as possible. Barefoot is better than wearing shoes. Did you know? Yeah, most of the time, like all day, I've been bare feet, and my feet are quite clean, relatively speaking. Sometimes they're dirty. Anyway, so use a sticky mat so you can actually sit and have some stability because we're going to walk up and down, and this is really important. Okay, so I'm going to place the ball at the end of the mat. I'm going to engage my abs. You know, your core is really important beyond your abs, and I've talked to you about this in previous videos, but yes, it involves for you to watch this and stay till the end of the video because you're going to have like the basic practice with a ball that is so cheap or inexpensive. It's easily found, I think, in most drugstores. You can find it online, super cheap. This has lasted so many years, I forgot, but I have balls that have lasted over 10 years at least. So anyway, here we go. Oh yeah, so many pointers I could give you. Like the ball, if you're over 172 meters, then it has to be higher, like 65 centimeters. This is 55 centimeters. You can DM me for more information on that, okay? But one of the ways to know if the ball is good for you is to actually, once inflated, of course, so you can't do that at the drugstore, but yeah, get the right measurement. And usually you can find these tables online so that your thighs are parallel, and so the ball can't be too inflated nor too, this is lacking a little bit of air. I would fill it up a bit more. So anyway, thighs parallel to the floor, or to the mat, or to the ground, or to the beach, or to the sand, wherever you are. And let's just have some fun. I need to have fun with every move, even if it's simple like this one, okay? So from this very stable position, you see my legs are separate, about hip width apart, in fact more. They were like this, okay? I could close them a bit. This is less stable, this is more stable. So let's start with the most stable, and then you could walk up, and then we could do lots of tricks and have more fun. But yes, we are working from home. We are working out from home. If you're an entrepreneur, then contact me because I have special plans for you to coach you to go from lazy or lack of motivation. You know, we all have that. Like we don't feel like exercising and doing the right things or eating the right foods or just having the discipline, okay? To go to fit and unstoppable, basically. That and much more I'm going to tell you about. Now, back to this. We're going to walk up, 3, 4. Notice how the ball is rolling under you, okay? So that way you have the second move already, okay? That's it. Don't go from standing and then do that. I mean, I do that, but I wouldn't advise it at first, because you have to have strong core. I don't know how strong you are already. Some people are naturally strong, so it all depends. I can't tell you if you're a beginner, but definitely we need to meet online. Yes, I have video courses, video classes for you, and video one-on-one consultations so that I can check your posture. This is fundamental. Even as you're sitting here, like your feet have to be planted. Okay, can you see it? Maybe I can show you on the mirror, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and there you go. 4, 5, 6, and that's it. Okay? I'm going to show you my feet, how they're planted. Even though I did hurt my toes, so I can't completely, oh look, you see, you can go back like that. Okay, so let's do a few of these moves. Check my feet. Some of you love my feet, but I'm not doing it because of that. And you see? 1, 2. You can see my feet, right? How else? Oh, I can go a little bit further from you so you can see. You see how there's 90-degree angles here, 90-degree angle here also, and this pose is really good just for stabilizing our torso. We could do everything from here. We could talk on the phone. We could that's for another video. I'm going to show you many things, but like you can sit on a ball most day. You could work on your computer, okay, if it's the right level. You know, so this, get comfortable with just sitting on the ball. And yes, we could bounce and do fun things. That's coming up. Okay, so stay till the end because I might have a surprise for you. But definitely feet planted. You see how you are precisely getting stronger and more stable as you use something unstable like a ball. That's the idea of balance training and all this mobility that we all need, okay? We all need to be strong, flexible, have endurance, but one of the most important things is just, you know, to have the mobility to go, you know, hey, and even sitting all the way here and then just coming up again. Okay, guys, this is going to be my third move, from here to here. You could use your hands on the mat if you prefer, like that. Inhale, exhale. Ooh, feels so good. It's like a little squat, or squat, yeah, like a half squat. And also we could also say it's a press. It's like in the gym, but just with a ball. It's really awesome. Inhale and exhale, and then you can stretch. Oh, feels so good, so good, so good. And in order not to fall, yes, use your hands, and you could also use a bench or a chair. Find a way. I don't know how many moves I said I was going to do, but I think we have plenty of time, so I'm going to teach you more. You like that idea? Oh yeah, we have 5 minutes, so this is going to be longer than expected. So excuse me if I said 3 or 4, because that's what I usually do. But yes, we can do so much more. We're going to do it now the other way. We're actually going to kneel in front of the ball. We're going to sit on our heels. We're going to place the ball in front of us further so that we actually do a modified, guess what this is? Child's pose. And you see how I'm stretching my neck? Just naturally, your neck needs those moves. Okay, so move your head side to side like I'm doing. Okay, again, sit, stretch, and then you take this arm and go under it, all the way under your shoulder, your left shoulder, and switch this arm under my right shoulder and stretch. Feels so amazing. Yes, you can do these moves before going to sleep. Okay, now we are going to do the counter posture in a simple way. I like to teach 3 levels, okay? So let's start with beginner. I would go from here because this is less stable. See, this takes more practice. That was my tendency to show you, but I'll show you the easiest way. It's from this sitting position to actually stretching and then going with the ball. Look at my elbows and forearms. Yes. And I'm going to do this. Okay. Let me check with the mirror a bit more. Okay. And you can move within this pose. Yay. Okay, so it's like one of the modified cobras. The harder one is actually like this. You can start here and then stretch like that. It's not easy. You see my shoulders are still a little bit up. I have to lower my shoulders. So yeah, if you want to do that, you can do it. And the counter posture is what we did before. Okay? So without the ball, you know what we would be doing? We could be doing Bhujangasana or Cobra into Child's Pose. And with the ball, you see how we did it. But of course, there's many other ways. Oh, I'm here. I'm still here. Here's the ball. So, you see how simple it is? Now, also, like here, let's do some moves that are so good for us. I always say we have to bend forward like this, okay? Back. This is an easy way to go into Ustrasana or Camel Pose. So we got Camel Pose here. The simplest way is just to be here. Lower your shoulders, yes, like this. To one side. Let's breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And we also go back into the child's pose. Wow, feels so good, so good. And again, up. Other side. Oh, it's amazing. Fantastic. So back to, let's do a recap here. Just sitting, stability here. Next, we walk in order to lie down on the ball, looking up. Okay. Here it's very frequent that we do abs and obliques and all kinds of fancy things that throw us off center. But I just kept it at this. And then you can sit all the way. This would be number 3. And do this nice leg extension. I like it. Inhale. It feels so good. Number 4 is to actually just lie down and separate your legs, okay? So in order not to fall, especially if you're alone working from home and working out from home, you've got to watch it. Sometimes I've fallen and there was no one to aid me. Thank God I'm okay. But even, let's say, an ex-athlete like I've been, doesn't matter. Even if you're advanced, you may be trying something for fun that is new and you may fall. I don't want that to happen. So definitely get a coach to watch you. And also, let's use the right techniques. Use your hands. Okay? Separate your legs so you have more stability. Just feel it. It's so good, so good, so good. Right? That's number 4. Then we went like this. This is number 5. Balasana with variations. This is like a puppy pose, actually. That's a variation. So was that number 6? This is puppy pose variation. Puppy pose variation. Into the Bhujangasana. Or just here. So I think we got like 7 moves or more. Between 7 and 9 moves. Look, I'm going to count them before I publish. And enjoy your ball. Did I say do side to side? That's really important. That's the bonus, okay? And definitely do the twist. Bring the ball to the side and twist so that you have really, really happy hormones because you're going to be releasing all the stress. Bye, stress. Thank you so much. Remember, subscribe, like, share, and if you want to get 18 secret keys to your best defined abs, definitely check out the link below or ask me. Much more, DM me. Thank you. Oh, and leave your comment. How did you like these moves? I love them. Do you have a ball? Have a ball.